for the best, most detailed pixie cut wig tutorial, then stay tuned. Grab some popcorn and sit down and watch, because this is the last video you're going to be watching for today. This tutorial is super easy, guys, I promise. So let's get started, shall we? Turn your wig cap inside out and start by sewing in your wig combs. Never would you ever speak to. You could live a lie and never be true. That's why we don't need to talk. Ain't nothing left to say. You had one on each side, one on the left, one on the right, and one in the back. This will be for extra security while wearing your wig. Once you're done, snip off wig straps on each side. This helps your wig to lay super flat and prevents them from sticking out when you wear your wig. So as you can see, I'm turning my wig cap back right side on the mannequin, and I'm going to start with gluing my tracks onto the wig. The black poly bag is just to prevent me from making a mess on my mannequin. This is the 27-piece hair I'm going to be using, and it comes in two lengths, a shorter length and a longer length. The longer length will be used on the front side and the shorter length will be used on the back side. I'm also going to be using an 8-inch 4x4 lace closure. Apply your bonding glue on the tracks of your 27-piece and leave it to get a little tacky. Then place it as neatly as you can, track by track, onto the wig. Snip off each end once you're done. So try not to make a mess, but if you do make a mess, don't worry, it's okay. It's a learning process for us all. So, and lay your next track. Continue with this process, because this is the exact same process you're going to be doing until you get to the center of the wig. How you like me now? Do I turn you on? Where you're going to place your closure. So as you can see, I'm trying to lay my closure onto the wig, and I'm putting it on the central portion of the wig. I'm going to secure it with my pins and start sewing. Once I'm done sewing, I'm just going to continue gluing my tracks as usual, like nothing ever happened. Try to leave as little space as you possibly can while laying your tracks to make sure that the wig is really full and realistic. We're going for the whole I got a haircut look, so yeah. Okay, so let's address the white elephant in this video. As you can see, the closure and the hair don't match, but we're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. Trust me. after gluing down the tracks, I'm going to leave my wig to dry completely. To make the closure lay really flat, I'm going to go in with my wrapping foam and my hair scarf, and then I'm going to tie that down and go and get some breakfast. Make sure you're cutting section by section or track by track, section by section, to make sure that you're not making a mess or you're not making a mistake, because with this hairstyle, once you cut, you cannot put back, so be as careful as you possibly can. So I'm gonna section off the hair using my sectioning, using my duckbill clips and a comb. Alright, so let's get into styling. So we're done cutting now. Let's go in with our argan oil wrapping moves again. So I'm going to be doing a little cutting here and there to make sure that the wig is seamless and frames my face perfectly. But as you can see, we're done. This wig would look exquisite on anybody, any skin tone, anybody at all. So yes guys, I know you've not seen this tutorial on YouTube before, but this is the first and I'm trying to make it as detailed as possible, so you can also recreate this on your own at home by yourself. I dare you to try it. Recreate this look and tag me anywhere on social media. Send me pictures, send me emails, stalk me everywhere, and yeah, I love you guys. Watching this video. I hope it was informative enough, and I hope you come back. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.